Hey, Andrew Medlam here. Now, if you're a purpose-driven entrepreneur and your business solely relies on you being able to enroll new clients into your services, programs, courses, seminars, workshops or retreats, yet you fear holding sales enrollment conversations because you don't want to come across sounding salesy, needy or desperate, or maybe for the fact that you don't want your prospects to be judging you because you want to charge premium prices or premium price points for the results that you deliver your clients, yet you don't want to come across as though you are money hungry. So inside this short video, I'm going to share 3 things that I implement into my business each and every day that allows me to get into the right mind state before I enter a sales conversation. So number 1 is that I realign myself, I recenter myself with my mission, with my purpose and passion of why I do what I do. I realign myself with what I believe to be true about the transformations and the methodologies and the principles that I share with my clients that allows them to seek change. And I also recenter myself and realign myself with my core values. This allows me to step into my greatness. This allows me to take ownership of my craft and my genius that allows me to show up powerful, effortlessly and with ease on every single call that I encounter in. The second thing that I do is that I disengage myself from seeking a sale. Because if I enter a sales conversation seeking a sale, what happens? Well, the prospect can sense that. So they close the doors and they don't allow me to step into their world, to help them at the level that they deserve. So I enter every call with the purpose and intent to serve from the highest of levels. And the third thing that I do is that I remind myself that they've come to me and I've not chased them. Because if they've come to me, if they've applied to speak with me, then that means that they perceive me as the trusted advisor that's got the solution to their problem. They see me as the market expert. They see me as somebody with authority that can help them easier, faster and safer than what they're currently doing themselves. So that's 3 things that allows me to get into the right state of mind before I enter a call. So quick recap. Number 1, I realign and recenter myself with my mission statement, with my purpose, with my passion of why I do what I do and why it's so important, my beliefs and my core values. The second thing is I disengage myself from seeking a sale. So I show up with intent, the purpose to serve from the highest of levels. And the third thing that I do is that I remind myself that they came to me and I didn't chase them, which positions me as a trusted advisor in the marketplace that has got a solution that can serve their problem.